Good morning. Happy Thursday. Today's Thursday. And today is day 32 of the kidney liver flush, also called the Claws drink. Welcome, guys. Good morning. My name is Donata Joseph, your virtual skin therapist, here to talk to you about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. And today, I am going to do the Claws drink, do my little drink on the side, and give you 10 benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Of course, extra virgin olive oil has a ton of benefits, and maybe I can cover a little bit more tomorrow. But today I'm just going to stick to 10 and keep it simple. So we have our water, 8 to 9 ounces. C for cayenne pepper for circulation. Use how much cayenne pepper you like. If you don't like it, just use a little bit. If you like extra cayenne pepper, add it because it's good for circulation, and it also helps to to minimize craving. L for lemon, which is an exfoliant. You only need half. And the next ingredient, as I'm pouring the lemon, is apple cider vinegar. And as I state every single day in the video, you need to drink this drink 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. 30 minutes before brushing your teeth to protect the enamel of your teeth, especially if you're going to be doing this over time. So half a lemon, apple cider vinegar. The best one is Bragg's, but this is what I have for right now. And you want to be sure that it is with the mother. The apple cider vinegar needs to be with the mother. 1 tablespoon. And for me, if you guys have been watching, you know it irritates my enamel. So, whoops. I'm going to have my shot on the side. Never take apple cider vinegar straight, please. Never. It will burn your esophagus and the lining of your tummy. So let me take my shot. Now, apple cider vinegar. Claws, C-L-A-W-S-E. So we already have the W. We already have the water in the cup. 8 to 9 ounces. Honey or agave for a sweet sensation. And of course, if today I'm going over extra virgin olive oil, that means next week I'll break down the benefits of honey and how you can use honey for your mind, body, skin, and hair. Or at least body, skin, and hair. So we have the honey. Now we have extra virgin olive oil, organic, cold press, which helps with smooth elimination. You don't want to be stuck on your throne trying to get rid of these toxins. So 1 tablespoon. Now, I will tell you the extra virgin olive oil can kind of throw off the taste of this drink. If you need to stir while you're drinking. So what helps, because that extra virgin olive oil, good morning, will sit at the bottom. So stir it, take a few gulps and stir it again, and that helps to keep the, not apple cider vinegar, I'm sorry, extra virgin olive oil. That helps to keep the extra virgin olive oil throughout your gulps so that it's not sitting all at the bottom and your last gulp is apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil. So this is the Claws drink. You know, guys, sometimes I add garlic, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, garlic, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, thyme, and something else I can't remember right now that I would add to this drink to help with the detox effect, turmeric, which I'm not adding today. I'm going to keep the drink plain and simple. So this is for my daughter. And for myself, I skipped the honey and agave because I'm personally trying to get rid of parasites. So I'm adding diatomaceous earth, which is a clay. You always want to get food grade. That helps with parasites. So I'm adding that to this drink, and this is my drink. So I'll gulp it down offline or sip it down offline, but I wanted to cover 10 benefits of extra virgin olive oil. So the first benefit, it actually helps with weight loss. And I'm going to read the information to kind of give you more in depth of what we're talking about for extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil may deliver greater and longer lasting weight loss results than a low-fat diet. It helps with diabetes. It helps with pain relief because it contains a substance called, okay, I'm going to butcher this name, aleokenthal, which has anti-inflammatory agents, meaning olive oil is like a natural ibuprofen. Wow, I didn't know that. Research increasingly suggests inflammation impacts a number of chronic disease. So olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties grow more compelling all the time. So if you're drinking this drink and you have issues with arthritis or any type of disorder that causes inflammation, the extra virgin olive oil in this drink will help with the inflammation. That's good to know. It's a skin saver. Extra virgin olive oil helps with anti-aging. Now, what I will tell you is that you don't want to have a lot of extra virgin olive oil on your face because it's a thick oil. You can dilute it with a really thin and soft oil like avocado or jojoba oil. You can do a mixture of the two so you can get the benefits of the extra virgin olive oil on your face, but putting it straight is very thick. So it protects the coating of the skin both through consumption and application. So having extra virgin olive oil in this drink also helps with your skin. Mental agility, rich in monosaturated fat, which research suggests helps prevent or slow down the cognitive decline associated with diseases like Alzheimer's. So it does help with your mind. When I stated mind, body, skin, and hair, listen, all of this is connected. It strengthens your immune system, loaded with antioxidants, vital for strengthening and protecting your immune system. Extra virgin olive oil may help you become more resistant to infection. The wide range of important antioxidants isn't found in other oils. So it's very beneficial to have extra virgin olive oil in your detox drink. It aids with pregnancy and longevity. Since extra virgin olive oil assists in prevention and or reduction impact of so many diseases, including certain cancers, it is no exaggeration to say, it may even help you live longer. Not bad for something that's so delicious. So having extra virgin olive oil in your detox drink, as I've read, also one of the benefits that I skipped, which is imperative for many, it's good for your sex life. So extra virgin olive oil is very important for your mind, body, skin, and hair. And I'll go, tomorrow I'll give a little bit more benefits because I just covered 10. But just within these 10 benefits, you can see how extra virgin olive oil consumed and applied on your skin is beneficial to your mind, body, skin, and hair. So don't skip out on the ingredients of your detox drink because each of them have something it is working on. And as you know, for the detox drink also, it helps with smooth elimination. You don't want to have any issues when you're releasing the toxins out of your body. So guys, I wanted to cover this real quick before I jumped off and went to work. Thank you for joining me. Those that are going to be joining me on the replay, thank you for watching. Please share with friends and family. You know my personal detox journey is posted on YouTube daily. I'm not sure what day it's scheduled to post today. Maybe day 19, I'm not sure. But definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Donata Skin Food. You can sign up for my emails by clicking the link in the bio to subscribe to my emails. And don't forget, Monday, May 21st, I am having with Dorielle Detox the Hair last series, part 2, Monday night, 7 p.m. Eastern. So if you're watching this and you have any questions you'd like us to cover during that live stream Monday night, send us a DM or a PM if you're on Facebook so that we can answer your questions much quicker on live stream because we have a lot to go over within 1 hour. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Feed your skin from the inside out. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning. And don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, especially on YouTube. Thank you, guys. Have a blessed Thursday. Bye. You're going to go do your smoothie now? Okay.